Channel started.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be an audio test of the Viofo A139 Pro and the external microphone. Right now I'm speaking to you live directly to the camera using the built-in microphone. And right now I'm going to take the external microphone and plug it into the camera. And the external mic is mounted to the headliner right next to the camera. Here we go.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Okay, I've just plugged in the external microphone and hopefully we can hear the difference. Once again, this is an audio test of the external microphone with the A139 Pro. And right now I just removed the external mic and put it just a few inches from my mouth. So hopefully we can hear the difference. All right.